This video will explain how to see SD card recorded videos from anywhere. This video will be applicable for below models: Model D8810, D8801, D8809 and D8862. Open the mobile application iMegaCam. Click on video icon. You will find your camera is online. You will find latest 24 hours recorded videos. For seeing more than 24 hours recording, click on search. Select the timing events of which you want to see the recorded videos, or you can customize as well. Click on the recorded video which you want to see. Then click on play for seeing the online video. Now you are able to see the recorded clips. Or click on download for downloading the recorded videos. Thanks for watching the video. For any help, feel free to contact us.